Yo, what's going on, guys? Today on Project EF, the first part is gonna be installing the Jackspania Racing big tube drag headers on here. I'm not sure if it's going to fit at all, but I'm gonna try to make it fit. I mean, right now I have the Gretty header right here. Hopefully you can see it. It's all beat up and shit. I mean, I feel like it doesn't really flow as good, but yeah, it's got the full exhaust system. Sounds like shit. I've been wanting to change it, but it's actually looking good. But this is the EF right here. But today, if my headers come in today, it says it's supposed to come in, we're gonna be installing the big tube headers on here. And then I'll show you how it looks like, but I think I'm gonna start removing everything, lifting up the car, going under the car, taking out the exhaust system, because the headers I'm getting comes with a turn down that goes under, so there's no need for the other shit. This is low comp B20 block with a GSR head with skunk tube parts. It needs work, like the wiring and stuff is all, to me, I think it's a shitty wiring job, to be honest. But I mean, I don't know, they had to get the car working. I like more cleaner wiring, but over the time I have this under my ownership, I will change it up. But yeah, I'm about to start removing shit, and I'll hopefully record the process along the way too. All right, so I got the car lifted up on all fours. I just want to show you guys the exhaust system real quick. I'm not sure what brand exhaust this is, but I'm gonna be removing it. And the headers are pretty thin too. Like, what is this? I don't even know what company this is, but it doesn't sound good. Let's see what company this is. All right, so we got the exhaust off from over here to down there. Then we gotta unbolt it from where the headers are, right here. And then I'm probably gonna unbolt it from right here. It's probably like a 19 or something, or 17. Then once we got that off, we could take off the header. And hopefully my headers come in today. Like I said, it said it was gonna come in today, and still waiting on it, but I'm skeptical because I want to see how this header is gonna fit, or if I'm gonna need to modify anything. Confusing part, but yeah, man. About unbolt that shit real quick too. All right, so my little brother right now is removing the 19 on here. Then we could take this off. Sorry if it looks low light here. Sun is still up, so there's no need for light right now. But once he takes off this piece, then we'll be able to get to the header. We could just drop this whole piece down with the header. There he goes, removing that one.
For sure, we need the fucking...
There's only 3 bolts, right?
Yeah.
Spider webs. Alright, help me pull it up.
Can you? I'm thinking you have to unbolt that, bro.
Yeah,
probably. Because I don't think this fucking shit will come out through there.
Yeah, let's unbolt it. Alright, so we're gonna end up removing this one. I can't see what type of bolt this is, but fucking spider webs and shit. Bro, I'm gonna be real, that looks like a... Like, is that a 10 or 14, bro?
It did that. I'm gonna grab a 14 real quick.
Grab a 10 too. But yeah, once we remove that one, we could remove this piece right here. Then I'll probably give it like a little start so you can see how it sounds open header on this side. I'm just taking this one off right now.
Damn thing, I don't even... Oh, no, I think I got it.
Is there actually a bowl holding it?
Let me see.
It's alright, I moved it with my fucking hands. Just be careful, cause
It's gonna fall, right?
oh no, that side's gonna fall. Alright, putting on the 13 while he holds it with the wrench. Yeah. Damn, bro, this shit was burnt too.
Fucking gasket.
Damn. Alright, the exhaust is down.
Should I take it out?
Yeah, you can take it out. Exhaust is down. See how this shit looks. This shit actually sounded like shit too. I don't know what company this is. What is this?
Fucking AutoZone.
High quality exhaust.
AutoZone tip.
OBX Racing Sports. I never heard of that one. If it's rare, let me know. It sounded like shit. Just letting you guys know though. Like 2000s type shit.
Low master.
This damn, bro. It looks good without the shit on it.
That's what I'm saying. That's why I wanted that fully exhaust. I didn't want to run the headers with the turning.
Got the DC Sports under here. Probably OG as shit. Bro, look at that piping, bro.
Shit's so
Bro, that shit was not breathing, bro. Look at that sizing, bro. That's crazy. But yeah, I'm probably gonna give it a cold start with the header like this. So I'm gonna get my keys real quick.
40?
Yep. How do I go? That sounds just like mine. Nah, I don't even know what I'm talking about. Lord, have mercy. Okay, these headers sound like shit. Oh yeah, it's the turn down pipe right here. Oh shit. Yeah, it's been a couple days. They lied to me. They said it was gonna be here on Thursday, so it's been a couple days since the last clip. Remind me, I got a little burgers and shit. Let me pop these out real quick. So this is the turn down pipe. It's gonna look fucking sick, bro. Stay huge too. Probably gonna run it like this for a while on my EF, and then when I get more money, probably gonna get a vibrant resonator and maybe weld the resonator. Maybe like cut it right here, and then the resonator gets welded here, comes out with the turn down on the other side of the resonator. It's kind of like a muffler. Yeah, the headers, I mean, you guys seen it on my other video on my brother's hatch. You guys know how it looks like. But yeah, man, about to bring this to the garage and see if I'm about to start working on it. Alright, these are the headers for the Jackspania Racing. I just opened them up. Here's a closer look at them. They look really good. Bolts look good. And I have the turn on pipe as I just showed you. I'm about to start taking off the header on the EF. Look how thin those are compared to the Jackspania Racing ones. Yeah, I'm about to start removing these bolts. Should be like a 12 or 13 on your B series. And I'm gonna drop it and then come back to you. Alright, so I got most of them off. The Grady header doesn't let me get the ratchet in there, so I had to take this one off with the wrench, 13 wrench. This one's a 12. A pain in the butt. Shit just got stuck on there. Try getting this loose, and I'm gonna come back to you again. I got my bolts up here. I should be able to just bring it down. Yep, there you go. oil. It's not. Okay. Now let's do a comparison. Yeah, better start putting it on. Hopefully it's easier to put on. Then I gotta see what the clearance issues here and down there. I don't know, I'm about to see right now though. Alright, so actually it fit a lot better than I actually intended to. But they do come out far too on here. The only thing I had to do was move the radiator, like slant it a little bit. I mean, it's gonna be touching a little bit right here. Hopefully it don't melt. But don't mind the wiring mess. It's still a project, you know. But I'm gonna have to like probably move it even more. Those are the headers. That's how it's gonna look like on the car. And that should look good. Car looks stock as shit. And then there's this. Still gotta put the gasket on. I have the Grady one in there. Where is it? Right here. It's the gasket I'm about to be putting on. So I'm about to do that right now. Okay. Can't believe I'm struggling with a gasket. Sitting, put a bolt in here. Put a bolt in here. Put a bolt in here. Just so it can stay. Alright, so this is how it's gonna look. I got two bolts holding in on opposite ends. One right there, one right there. This was the old one. I don't know why I was struggling to put the new one back on. I guess I had it on backwards. Dude, these things look pretty sick. I gotta check the ground clearance on it though. Oh yeah, that looks good. That looks very good. Man, these things look pretty nice. I'm gonna clean it up with something I got over here. Where is it at? I'm gonna use this to clean it up. That's what I did to polish my little brother's wheels. But man, she looks pretty good. All right, so now we're under the car. And we're going to install this pipe right here. This is a size 13. Hopefully the light quality is good. That's a size 13. So basically what we're gonna do is basically put this over. It's gonna go down like this, straight from the header. And I gotta tighten those two bolts as well. So I'm just gonna set this down. I don't know if you guys can see or not, but hopefully you guys can. So I'm gonna loosen this just a tad bit. Slide this over. Didn't want that shit to explode on. Yep, just like this. And then put it. Make sure it's on the top. Make sure it's straight. Okay. Make sure it's straight. Hopefully it's straight right there. So what you're gonna do is squeeze it. Tighten the bolt. Obviously you're gonna need a 13 to tighten it. Right there, starting to get tight. Should be good. She's not gonna move. Okay. So that's that. It's tight on there now. I'd say let's give it a cold start. Alright, so the EF is on the floor. This thing did sound a little rowdy, I'm not gonna lie. But this is how it's looking right now. So what I did was I zip tied the radiator. It's not touching as much no more, so that's a good sign, especially with that OEM shroud. I mean, just haven't drove it or nothing, but just put the EF on the ground. But it's hatch right there. Looking good. Okay. But yeah, this is the EF. There's no exhaust coming out no more. So, show you down here is you can see the turn down pipe down there. Another look. This is how it looks. It clears. Yeah, I don't think there should be any issues installing this on the EF. I think it was a lot easier than the, what do you call it? Than the EK. Yeah, it's a little work in progress, you know. But yeah, I mean, like I said before in the last video, Jackspania really did their thing with the headers. I like how it came out. And it looks good. I have no complaints at all. The only thing is I do need an O2 sensor because this car did not drive an O2 sensor, which is pretty bad. But yeah, this is it. Headers come out really far. I like how it looks. Give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe.